cruise descent. We're just negotiating with London Heathrow Air Traffic Control to see if there's any delays. Been notified there's currently no delays, so that could be maybe one turn, but keeping the speed up. And we started our descent, so hopefully we'll be able to carry that momentum into Heathrow. Landing on a westerly runway. The weather down at Heathrow is lovely. Temperature's always 18 degrees. A little bit of cloud up here, but not too bad downstairs at all with light winds. In due course then, with that arrival time due to be arriving at about 20 to 25 minutes time, we will be clear to start our approach and anchor. When we do start the approach, please be turn the seatbelt signs back on again. When the signs go back on, please do return to your seats, refasten the seatbelts. Does allow the cabin crew and the aircraft for landing. Any changes, test the timing, we'll of course keep you updated. Otherwise I'll speak to you on the ground. Enjoy the rest of the flight. Thank you.